Pandemic COVID-19 lockdown announced. This is one phase which we are witnessing, but still, India knows how to manage it out. When the word management came, we have the exchange processes from producer to consumer, though essentials, but everything marks the supply chain management. And these facilities of transportation, warehousing, banking, everything marks the connectivity with advertisement and digital medium of the business, industry, commerce. Everything marks the identity of present scenario where we are discussing India and nature and purpose of business in India and in the globalization era. The exchange of goods are here, ideas, commodities, services. Everything marks the term, and this time we are discussing branch of business, that is commerce. Commerce. I said one term. These are the terms of activities where the goods that are produced, service which are looking for consumer or user, have a pure view of commerce. The goal is just to benefit the producer and consumer with proper flow of supply of goods and services. Goods are produced in any part of the region of this world but supplied with the help of commerce. These are the activities which take place with the hope of distribution and exchange of goods and services and commodities and ideas with the help of trade respect, and this smoothen or this just brought the functionality of trade. Warehousing, advertisement, banking, insurance, transportation removed all kind of hindrance from time to place, knowledge to information, and referred to the two phases of classification, which one is trade and another is auxiliaries or aids to trade. So today we will discuss the pending phase of this aids to trade, where we have to discuss communication, advertisement and transportation. So let's check it out. First, once again I have cleansed the board and bringing it in front of you to discuss the further things. Three aspects we have discussed. The first one is banking facility, second is insurance facility, third is warehousing facility. So now I am bringing you with the word facilities now. So these facilities, commerce, and these two words combine and form one new word for you to learn. Now you should learn one new word for commerce. It provides the basic facility for exchange of goods and your services. कॉमर्स फैसिलिटी देती है आपकी एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, एंड दीज गुड्स एंड सर्विस एक्सचेंज इज कॉल्ड फॉर योर वन वर्ड, दैट इज ट्रेड. एंड दिस ट्रेड need auxiliaries, or these are only the word which is said to be aids to trade. And these are required to create a link, and this link means to say your term producer and second term consumer, and this term brings one thing to you, the word advertisement. This brings the word transportation. And this word is said to be your link between producer and consumer. The good produced by producers have to reach to consumer, and दिस इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, सो कॉल्ड ट्रेड। अब आपने सामान बना लिया है, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड है, फिर इसमें कंजम्पशन है, अब मैन्युफैक्चर्ड को कंज्यूम कराना है, सो यू नीड टू एक्सचेंज इट आउट, एंड दिस एक्सचेंज इज पॉसिबल with the help of commerce because it delivers you facilities। अब ये फैसिलिटीज आपको तभी मिलेंगी जब आपको ये मालूम हो कि प्रोड्यूसर ने क्या मैन्युफैक्चर्ड किया है, एंड दैट यू गेट टू नो इन एडवर्टाइजमेंट। आपको एड्स के थ्रू पता लगता है कि व्हाट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, एंड व्हेन यू नो अबाउट इट देन दिस एडवर्टाइजमेंट लीड टू डिमांड। सामान मंगवाते हैं, फिर हमें जब पता लग जाता है कि ये नई चीज मार्केट में आ गई है, और वो फिर हम तक पहुंचती है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन की मदद से, देन इट रीचेस टू अस विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। तो हमें बेसिकली प्रोड्यूसर और कंज्यूमर की कनेक्टिविटी मिलती है, लिंकेज मिलती है, जो एड्स टू ट्रेड है, बिजनेस करने के समय में मदद करती है सामान इधर से उधर पहुंचाने में, और उस फैसिलिटी से जिससे मिलती है उस वर्ड को कहते हैं कॉमर्स। और इसके 5 एसेंस है सबसे ज्यादा। सबसे पहले आती है कैपिटल, तो वो बैंकिंग है। फिर दूसरा वर्ड आता है वेयर हाउसिंग, सामान बना लिया, कैपिटल लगा दी है, तो उसे रखना भी तो पड़ेगा, और फिर वो रिस्की है कि क्या पता टुमारो। So the next thing, when you have produced your good, then you have stored your good, you have insured your good, then you need to be advertised it out. Then this advertisement will bring demand, and this demand need to be fulfilled. This demand have to be fulfilled, so we have to send it to consumer, and then we need transportation. So basically commerce include 5 facilities, and when these two are combined then there is one term that is communication, कि हमें मालूम भी तो होना चाहिए कि कहाँ क्या गया है, कहाँ से क्या अवेलेबल हुआ है, that marks your identity of communication। ऑनलाइन परचेजेस है, कितनी मैनुअल सेल्स है, everything is being communicated, and the digital mechanism and your physical mechanism, everything functions here as well. So it is connectivity point. So these are 6 in number: banking, warehousing, insurance, advertisement, transportation, and communication. And this removes the hindrance. In next section we will learn about hindrance of trade.
Havells India Limited is one of India's leading power distribution equipment manufacturers with a strong global footprint. The group is present in 50 countries with over 6,500 professionals and 20,000 dealers working across 91 branches and over 100,000 retail outlets. Havells today has a turnover of $1.3 billion. We are the only electrical company with 17 product verticals and are present in the domestic, commercial and industrial segments. Power Solutions is one of the most important product categories for Havells, which includes industrial switchgears, motors, cables, capacitors, and lighting. Havells is the second largest manufacturer of cables in India. These cables are manufactured at the state-of-the-art cables and wires plant in Alwar. Equipped with the most advanced machinery and processes, Havells Cables Plant is the largest integrated cables plant in India. The plant manufactures HT and LT flame retardant cables, flame retardant low smoke cables, power and control cables, and insulated cables up to and including 66 kV grade. Havells is also capable of manufacturing fire survival cables and solar cables with TUV approvals. The manufacturing process starts with the procurement of the purest of raw materials from reputed suppliers. All incoming materials are subjected to a series of mechanical and electrical checks. The plant is capable of drawing wire from 8 mm to 1.6 mm. consistency and resistance, tensile strength and size of the wire are ensured at all stages of the drawing process. The drawn wires are then stranded to achieve co-conductors as per specifications. Conductors are formed on sophisticated high-speed.
After having the visits of Havells Power Distribution Company of this India marks one phase, and now I will going to take you to another phase where we will learn something else better today. So let's check it out in this phase.
The products are then scanned by a QB scan machine which can detect the height, weight, length and breadth of a product in a single scan. This determines where the product should be stored. Once the products are placed on the shelves, they are ready to be bought off Amazon.
But you know the most interesting part? So I'll give you an example. The minute this is placed into this shelf, immediately right there and then it's available on the Amazon app for you to buy. That's what makes this so efficient. That's how good the tech out here is.
Once an order is placed, associates use the shortest route to get to it. They do this through wireless scanners.
Do you know how it happens? So this wireless scanner will guide a person right to the product, that aisle, the rack, the shelf it's stored on, and immediately once they find the product, they put them onto these yellow totes that are flowing down this conveyor belt onto the packaging area. Very efficient, and I have to tell you, this is technology that really makes my head spin.
Once the orders are picked from different pickers, they are segregated by each customer's order so that all of them can be packed in one box instead of multiple boxes. They are put into these totes or crates and sent off on their way to the packaging and weight stations.
So you see all these totes that are coming down. Here's another part of the technology that is quite amazing. These totes know exactly where to go. So each tote that is coming in will either carry on, or as you can see, this tote that is coming in right now will know which packaging area to go to. It may just go down this aisle. So let's see, does it do it? No, it wants to carry on forward. But it'll actually go down this aisle and go down into a packaging center, which is exactly where we're heading to now. So you see the tote has now arrived, that yellow tote has arrived at the packaging area, and she's going to package this along with maybe other products to send it off to the customer. But something very unique happens out here. The package that is being done out here is now tallied against the original weight of the product. This little step that they have, that before they actually put any product into the shelf out there, it's measured and it's weighed. This eliminates the chances of any wrong product going out. So let's say one particular thing is 800 grams and maybe the box is another 100 grams. They know this package should be 900 grams and nothing more. The minute it's a little bit less or more, they know that the wrong product could be going out to a customer, and that really makes all the technology here really very efficient.
And finally, each product goes through a 6-sided check and it is again scanned. This is also where the customer label is generated, post the system verifies the weight of the product and the package as per its records. If it doesn't match, that product is removed. The packages are sealed and then sent on their way to various locations around the country to happy customers.
Hereby, it's all time to recapitalize the journey that we have covered today. In today's session, we learned what commerce means: exchange of goods, ideas and services. It is a link between producer and consumer and user. It reaches from place of production to place of consumption without having any pause, even in lockdown. Banking, digital connectivity of communication, warehousing, everything is supplying the essentials. So hereby, we have covered the journey of PowerPoint physical classes to the original places of Amazon, and another is Havells. So let's conclude it with a promise to see you again soon.